Hi everyone, welcome to Glitch Guru. In today's video, we'll show you how to fix slow Wi-Fi speeds on your Windows 11 laptop or PC. First, open the search menu. Here, type View Network Connections in the text box. Then, select the first result that appears. Here, go ahead and find Wi-Fi. Right-click on it and select Properties. In the Properties window, select Internet Protocol version 4. Then, click the Properties button. Now, go ahead and select the Use Following DNS Servers option. Then, type 8.8.8.8 in the preferred DNS field. Next, type 8.8.4.4 in the secondary DNS field. This will allow Windows to use Google DNS servers, which are usually faster than the default DNS servers provided by your internet provider. Once this is done, click OK. Then, click Close. Now, again open the Wi-Fi Properties window. Here, click the Configure button. In this window, first go to the Advanced tab. Here, you will need to change a few settings. First, make sure both 2.4 and 5 GHz channels are set to auto. Next, go to the band selection option and choose this 5G only option in the value menu. Now, go to Preferred Band. Then, set it to Prefer 5G band. Finally, you need to go to Roaming Aggressiveness. Then, set it to the lowest. Then, click OK and restart your computer. You will need to connect to Wi-Fi network again after that. If your internet speed is still slow after doing all this, open the search menu again. Then, type Network Reset and select the first result that appears. Here, go ahead and click this Reset Now button and then your problem will be solved. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments below.